Brass body. Steel internal structure. Adjustable latch from 2 to 3, 8 to 2-3/4 of an inch, 60 to 70 millimeters. Includes 2 brass keys, KW1 keyway, rounded steel faceplate and strike, and zinc alloy latch bolt. Detailed installation instructions included. Backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Fit all doors 1-3/8 to 1-3/4 in thickness. Lock body assembling hole 2 to 18, 54 mm, dia. Latch assembling hole 1, 25 mm, dia. Amazon Basics exterior doorknob with lock, coastal, matte black. Perfect for any room in the house. The doorknob set offers smooth, efficient, secure operation and long-lasting performance. Enhance the look of your home with your choice of styles and finishes available. Featuring a brass body and steel internal structure, the set is built to last and offers easy functionality for the whole family. The Amazon Basics doorknob set includes rounded steel faceplate and strike, and a zinc alloy latch bolt. Top reviews from the United States. Lock replacement. This was easy to install and looks great on my door. Love it.